Welcome to another DIY video. My TV suddenly stopped working and let's see if we can fix that. First of all, I want to see if we have sound, so I plug in my Roku stick in here and it should make some sound. Okay, so sound is working. So now let's check with whether there's backlight. So I'm using a flashlight and I will point it onto the screen. So I know my image is good. It's the backlight that's shot. It's pretty easy to get the first cover off the back of this TV, and then you can see here, this is the power board. Obviously the wall connector is connected here, but then you can see also there's power going over to this side. You can read the voltages here. This is where you can see my Roku stick plugged in. You can see that this will be the input board. This black and white flat cable here is most likely to create the pixels for the screen, because down here you can see it's connected to the LCD. Left and right, two speakers, just on the right side the input board here. So I'm not quite sure what this is over there. I believe this must be the connector to the backlight. So as I know that the backlight is broken, I anyways needs to disassemble now the rest of the TV to get to the LED strip. So we'll find out, I guess, if this is the connector to the backlight or not. So all these screws are out. Now you need to make sure that you disconnect your supply boards here, that you don't rip anything off. So these flip up, see, like this, and then you should be able to remove this the flat bent cable here. So just do that and you're good to go. Make sure you do the same for everything else that might be on your TV. Remove the remaining plastic cover. And loosen the strips that hold the LCD panel in place. Okay. Oh, you can gently pull it up, get the frame off from all sides. Let's flip the board up. Tape the LCD control board to the glass plastic panel. Okay, let's see. Let's lift it up. We need to get this diffuser pane off somehow. Looks like it's clipped in here. Look at that. Tiny little clips on the side. You can unclip them here. Little fingernail action and you get it off. Wonderful. Take the corners so I keep the layers, and just lift off this piece. It's glued everywhere. It's really hard to get off. Working. Okay, so we have 11 LEDs per strip. Let's assume each gets about 3 volts, so 33 volts. So I'm using 3 9-volt batteries. Yeah, it's less than that, but it's close enough. Connecting it to these two wires, and now I'm tapping to see if they gonna light up. Okay, so this one works. This one works too. So now I'm going through the rows and see if there's any broken strip. Okay, this one has a broken LED. Okay, seems this one is the only one that's not working. Okay, now you can pop off the diffuser light. And maybe only use one block. Shouldn't actually use one, but it should be fine. Now we can see which way. Oh yeah, it works. Very bright if you power it with 9 volts. Oh my gosh. That one works too. Alright, now going through the row and see which one is fried. I think we found the culprit, this LED here. So if I just short this one, it lights. So what I'm gonna do, because only one LED of all these are broken, I will just short this one and put everything back together. So I bridged this broken LED. Let's see if this light strip is working. And yes, every LED but the one lights up. Oh, and by the way, so we figured out that these cables are the LED strip power cable. So guys, I actually fixed my broken TV. Well, I fixed the backlight. The problem is that in the process I stepped on the LCD screen, and you can see here I broke this part, and now this whole thing is toast, unfortunately. But the LED repair worked well. If you be careful placing your screen somewhere out of the working area, I guess you will be fine. So hope this video helped you anyways, and please subscribe to my channel, guys. See you later.